Na girl, wala ka naman customer complain, wala flush in the toilet. Wala ka naman problema. Wala ka na ito, wala ka na ate. Wala ka naman situation, wala ka naman security. You don't know what to do, wala ka man na ate. Wala ka naman, wala sensation, wala boyfriend, wala Valentine Day, wala ka na. Thank you for watching our company. Come again. Wala ka naman back to back Manila.
Thailand.
Sawadee ka, Tom Yum soup spicy. One kind, have some kind, too much ka. You keep cook pie. One pack to my pie promotion. What ka? I give you cook pie. We say 2 now only. You give cook pie. You don't like, why you don't like? If you don't like, why you asking? You call. I give you cook pie. Last pie. 1 2 now only. One kind, you too much money. Arab, Baramba. Alaiwa. Badika. Things seem ready point. So small.
China.
If you can't want to eat, you have to give another space to another cow to eat. Once you finish eat, you have to sit in a jump seat. Monitor the cabin maybe 1% their feet. In the cabin top, you have to get the tools. That's why we put the tools in a blocky cake. Once we get on board, you call and spray the cabin straight away. If you don't know how to do, you come back to me. I tell you what to do. You come back to clean the toilet in the back. Every time you clean the toilet. In the basic class, every time you come to every customer, after every customer, you have to clean the toilet. You have to clean the toilet. If you don't know how to clean the toilet, you come back to me. I tell you what to do. The motherfucker, you are a fucker.
Qatar.
Good morning, everyone. This is the captain from the toilet. We are approaching Qatar after like 45 minutes. The weather is clear. We are expecting some turbulence in the way out. You may have to fasten your seatbelt throughout the flight. Maybe unexpected turbulence. Mr. Rami will be the Super Kaiser. Mr. Ahmed Hilmi will be the Super Supreme. If you need some more ketchup, don't hesitate to ask any of the crew. Thank you for flying Qatar Airways and hope you have pleasant stay on board.
Egypt.
Because the problem with the people in the airport is something really bad. I saw them with my eyes. They are throwing my luggage there from the window and there is no... I want to talk to supervisor because I want to complain. I am paying here money this airport. They are bringing me from there. I am... and you're asking me where I am from Egypt. What you do with me? I'm from Egypt now. What you gonna do? You call supervisor, I make complaint. يلا حبيبي.
India.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rahat from India, flying out Qatar Way for more than 50 years old and I've got 150 years old experience Qatar Way. When it comes to safety, it's a black and white. You cannot have a doubt about it. If you have a doubt about it, you have to open the catering counter and forward ask us. We know what to do, we are saying what to do, we can tell you what to do and what not to do. Once a while, you have to go in the forward and go to the back and go in the forward again and again, Open the oven, check something maybe burning there. So maybe if you are serving tea and coffee for the passenger, after piping hot, piping hot, it has to be piping hot. Once I was talking to my driver, he told me that you go to Utah roundabout, you go to Signal Trade Away or the city center, If you want to go to Lulu's on Friday, something very crowded, too much traffic, You cannot get into the loo. Because I am diabetic and I have to loo number 1 every time, and I stand in the queue, It's not good action at all, Thank you for watching and see you later, alligator in a wild crocodile.